If you're interested in more basketball content going over the fundamentals of the game, check out my Udemy page. And in here you'll find some basketball online courses just for you that go over specific areas of the game. So click on the description below and look at the details of these courses and see if you're interested for enrollment today. Yo, what is up everybody? Koballa here with another video, and in this video I just want to show you a quick challenge that you can do through the HomeCourt app. And if you want to use the HomeCourt app, you do need an iOS device to help you do this challenge. Now this challenge is called the Super Challenge, and the challenge is actually pretty simple. It's where you dribble for 1 minute, and as you're dribbling the ball, you gotta touch all these green dots to acquire as many points as you possibly can. And what's nice about this challenge is it's associated with a good cause with the Hunger Not Impossible Foundation, where they support families in need of food by connecting these families with restaurants that provide to-go and nutritious meals. I will leave the link in the description below so you can take a look at the details and see if you're interested in donating in the cause. Yeah, try out the challenges and share it on social media, so not only do you share these drills with others, but also spread the message of supporting a good cause. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel and drop a like for this video.